Hi, my name is Jennifer Schwery, and I'm 52 years old, and I live in Los Angeles. And Dr. Prima's been my doctor for over a decade. And also, I will say that I work in medical sales, and in the past, I called on OBGYNs in the greater Los Angeles area, about 200 of them. And of all those 200, I picked Dr. Prima to be my doctor because I loved her combination of being from India with Eastern philosophy and trained at Yale with Western education, like a combination of both. And so to me, I think she's the best female doctor out there. Yes, before the natural plant-based hormonal pellets, I was having hot flashes in pretty strong. I was having hot flashes, and they would come regularly, and they would come on strong. And I was having those for about 2 years. I would have them for about 4 months. They'd stop, and then they'd come back for another 4 months. I was also having stiffness in my fingers, having trouble opening packages and using my fingers very well. And I wasn't aware of any. I was having low sex drive. So I just completed my second treatment today. So after the natural plant-based hormonal pellets, I haven't had one hot flash. So I've been relieved, and I've slept better, and I've moved through the day with more ease. I've had more sex drive, which has given me more energy overall in my life, and I've had better use of my fingers without feeling the arthritis and the stiffness in my hand. I would 100% recommend the natural plant-based hormonal pellets to any woman that's considering treating any symptoms that the natural hormonal plant-based pellets can help. 100%. I've actually told quite a few girlfriends about it already. Thank you.